Greetings everyone, I'm Kate Rogers with the Alamo Trust and just wanted to give you a quick update on what's happening with the Alamo Cenotaph. As we've talked about before, it's not moving anywhere. Our goal is to keep the Cenotaph exactly where it is in its current location, honoring all of the brave defenders of the Alamo who fought here in 1836. We recently completed an investigation to understand exactly what's going on inside of the monument. We started the investigation by removing the top to get inside so we can examine more closely, and unfortunately we did find quite a bit of deterioration. Also a lot of damage from moisture that has gotten into the structure. The repairs will actually entail the removal of some of the stones. They need to be cleaned. Some of the stones are not affixed properly to the structure inside, so obviously we need to address that. The monument also needs a completely new drainage system. So all of this work will be led by the architects at Architexas alongside the general contractor Clark-Guido. They were involved in the original erection of the Alamo Cenotaph back in 1940. And if you're interested in following along, you can do so. We've got a live cam that will show you the repairs, which are all going to take place right here on the grounds of the Alamo, so you can watch it all as it unfolds.